In this brief guide, we'll delve into the user-friendly feature of the new Awaken180 app, exploring the step-by-step process of crafting your personalized ingredients. Here we go. First, open and log into the app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, tap on the Log Food button. Select the type of meal on which the custom ingredient should be added. For example, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Tap on the plus icon on the rightmost side of each meal type. Select the time you had your meal by sliding the numbers up or down, and then tap the Confirm button below. You will be routed to the Select Meal page. Tap on the Your Ingredients option. Tap on the Add Ingredients button. Fill out the required fields, especially those having asterisk marks such as ingredient name, calories, protein, and carbohydrates. Note, you need to scroll down to find carbs from the list. You can find the value of the required components of the ingredients on the packaging, or you can search it from the internet. You may fill out some other components of the ingredients if it is available. But what's important is the items with asterisk. Then, click the Save button below, and a green confirmation stating that your ingredient has been added successfully. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.